Hi, how are y'all doing today? I'm doing well. So I have got a new palette that I need to unbox. It's a Jeffree Star one. It's a pink, purple, and blue color scheme, which those are my favorite colors together. Like that's my favorite color combo. My whole arm is in that color. Love it. So I can't remember what it's called. It's like cotton candy or something or another. So I'm gonna open that real quick. And I also ordered from the collection one of the tinted lip balm, and then there was a foaming primer, but I think that didn't come in this order. And I also ordered 2 of each of the mystery gifts that they had going on. So the palette should not have been as big as this box is. Well, this box is pretty big. Alright, so here is the palette. It is gonna be like that. My favorite color scheme of all time. There's a blue, cotton candy kind of. Alright, so one of my mystery gifts was the Blue Blood palette. Look at the, oh my god, that's pretty. I actually don't have this. Oh. Dude, I'm so freaking excited. The last mystery gifts I ordered, I got the cremated palette, and I think I got a couple other things I already had. So I'm like, holy crap. Ooh, this one's got like a nice cloud. Let's open it up. Ooh. Oh my god. Ooh, look at that one. Ocean Ice. That is a pretty shade. Oh, hype. Alright, we're starting off with a bang. Got us a palette that I didn't have. We've got an eye gloss powder in Mood Ring. I'm gonna swatch that on my hand real quick. Okay. We got us a velour lip scrub. Ooh, it's in Blue Raspberry Sucker. I just saw one of my other mystery gifts. They did good this time. Are you for real? This is the whole lips. This is. Look at this. Oh my god, are you serious? I got a whole lipstick ball. Oh my god, are you. What? Did I just really get good stuff with my mystery gifts for once? I've gotten good stuff, but I mean, this is the best mystery gifts I've gotten yet. This should be the palette because that's all that's left in there. We've got Cotton Candy Queen. It's got taped, and it's wrapped in, ooh, it's wrapped in bubble wrap and paper. Ooh. Alright, so the packaging is like that. It's like a pretty blue. It would be so sick if I open this up and the smell is like a cotton candy scent. I can already see there's some pastel. Ooh, okay. Oh, there's a little cloud and it's clamp the palette shut. Here's the back. I kind of wish that the back was the front of the whole palette because there's a little castle and I don't know. I just like that back a lot better. Let's open her up together. I'm gonna give you guys a minute. So right away, I'm obsessed. Obviously, my favorite are gonna be these 4, but this is my favorite shade of blue. I like that there's the yellow in there, but I kind of wish that there was more of a transition shade maybe instead of those. I like the stamps that are in it. This one's got a tooth, and then lollipops, cotton candy, lollipops, and another tooth. I'm really drawn to this blue shade. So the last couple of videos where I've done unboxings and then I've tried to do a look, by talking, the looks have been not the greatest. So I'm gonna take a look at this palette, get like an idea together of what I want to do, and I'm just gonna do it and probably do a voiceover and tell you guys like how I feel about the palette. So anyway, let's get into this. Alright guys, so the first shade I got into is this pink color called Cupcake Royalty, and I've already primed both eyelids with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot, and I'm just using a fluffy brush to kind of like blend this matte pink out onto the outer end of the crease. So once I've got that done, I'm going in with Ice Cream Drip. It's kind of like a light periwinkle shade, lavender. And I'm going in and adding a little bit of that. So we got our pink and our purple in so far, using the same fluffy brush. And I really just took my time blending these colors in. So then I'm the deepest purple, and it's called Taste Test Me, and I'm using like a little kind of like crease brush, and I'm adding some depth into this by putting that purple in the middle of the crease, and then I'm taking that fluffy brush, and it still has a little bit of that lavender ice cream drip on it, and I'm using that to kind of just blend and soften this look. So the mattes that I've used so far, super amazing, so easy to blend. And I'm using a concealer. I cut my crease with that, and I'm using this blue shade Brain Candy. I was floored, stunned, like falling out of my seat, gagging. This color, this shade is beautiful, gorgeous. Oh my god, can't get enough of it. So I put a lot of that on the eyelid, and then I went in with that purple shade, and I just kind of wanted to like blend that in with the outer bit. And then I used this one called Castle of Sprinkles, which that is an amazing name, by the way. And I was adding a little bit, and see, I got some fallout there, but the look that I wanted to make is okay because the fallout didn't matter. And you know, that's the only shade that I really got any trouble fallout with. You know, I trust this formula when I had my face makeup done before the eye look. Oh man. But I just did the same thing to the other eye, and then I just blended in there, just wanted to make sure it was nice and like soft, blended around those edges. So I started doing this look, going in with it, wanting to do like clouds to make it kind of look like cotton candy. My inspiration was Spyro, like the PlayStation 1 version where the loading screens are like pastel with the clouds. So I just kind of sporadically put different pigments on my face, right? And I know it looks crazy. This one's called Cotton Candy Party, by the way, this light shade. But I had like a vision of this look, and I hope I executed it well, because I kind of I didn't practice, obviously. I just went in, and I had forgotten, I wanted to highlight my inner corner and brow bone. This is that yellow shimmery shade, and it actually looks kind of champagne. It's a really cute. I was shocked by it. And then I used this pink licorice shade on my underneath. I kind of wish I'd used this for the pink colors on my cheeks, but it was really beautiful. And I had to get a matte white out of a different palette. That was the Blood Sugar one, and then this is a concealer brush. So over top of all of those sporadic little dots of color on my face, I am hand painting clouds with my concealer. So I did kind of like one hump in the middle and two on the outer, and on some of them I kind of softened the bottom to try to make it look like a cotton candy cloud sort of deal. It was actually a lot easier than I thought it would be, and I feel like it came out really cute. I've never done like a clouds makeup, so I was like a little nervous, but I think I did pretty well with it, actually. So once I was happy with that, I went in and used that matte white and that Blood Sugar palette, and I was setting the concealer with that, and it kind of like brightened the clouds a little bit, and it matted them down so that they wouldn't be like wet like concealer. If you guys have ordered this palette, let me know down below if you've gotten it yet and what you think of it, by the way. This is probably my favorite palette that the brand's ever come out with. I'm not even gonna lie. Alright, so this is the e.l.f. Glitter in Milky Way, I believe is what it's called. Don't even know if they still make it. But the vision I had is to make this glitter look like the cotton candy clouds were like pouring glitter. So I did that, and I'm kind of totally and completely obsessed with it. Yeah, I love it. I forget how much I like this glitter. I've had it forever. I probably shouldn't be using it, but can glitter go bad? I don't know, probably not. Alright, so here is the look. Oh my god, cannot get over how much I really love this. Like, I genuinely love all of the pigments that I've used. I feel like they blended so well, and I was just so impressed with them. I mean, this is just too stunning. Alright, so I threw on some more makeup. The lashes that I have on need trimmed, but I don't have my scissors in here and I'm losing daylight. So I don't know if you can see, but I have like that glitter going down the clouds to try to like make it look like it's raining glitter. I thought that was fun. The other night after I ordered this palette, there's a note I have on my phone. I'll have to put it on the screen where I was so excited thinking about the looks I was going to do with it, and this one came into my mind, and I had like a little, I'm such an insomniac, I have a little like rambling drawn up of what I wanted to do. So anyway, I wanted to thank you so much for watching. I love this palette. Holy crap, especially my favorite shade in this entire palette is that little blue one, this right here. I didn't even look at the names of them. Brain Candy. That one. And I did a little pop of that yellow, and it kind of comes off as like white. I did it as an inner corner highlight and on the brow bone. Cute. So I used up a good bit of colors in doing this look today, and seeing as though this is like my favorite color scheme of all time, this is probably one of the most usable palettes that I've had that he's made. I've been wanting someone to make a really good pink, purple, and blue palette for years, so it's finally done. I wanted to thank you guys again for watching. Oh, also, it looks like I did not get that lip product and the foaming primer in this order. So, I'll try to leave a pinned comment down in the comments. So, whenever I get those in, I'll let you guys know how I feel about them. So anyway, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!